Uh, for question number 4, I want to explain about how the new graph shifted from the basic graph y equal to a squared. When a is equal to when a is equal to positive 1, the graph open our direction, b by 2a is equal to 2, so the graph move 2 unit horizontally to the right. For c minus b squared by 4 is equal to 1, so it moves 1 unit outward vertically. When a is equal to negative 1, the graph open downward direction. b by 2a is equal to minus 2. So it moves 2 unit to the right horizontally. For c minus b squared by 4a is equal to 9. So it moves 9 unit outward vertically. For question number 5, one discriminant is positive, like this. The equation have two real solution, minus 1 and minus 1 and 5, and so it means the graph cross at two point at the 8 exit. When discriminant is equal to 0, the graph test if further at the 8 exit at only 1 point, so it means it has only one real solution. When the discriminant is equal to negative, like this, there is no real solution, so it means the graph does not touch at the 8 exit. That's all. Thank you.